الولي مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Eka sọ pé amina. Eka sọ pé amina. So just recited Surah Al-Mulk as recommended by our prayer Allah to forgive Alh Lanre Shittu also. I recognize Chairman Boa Investment. Alhaji Abisoman, you are recognized. We thank you very much for coming. We might Allah reward you abundantly. If I tell you share, do anything. And then below you go and pray. There are hamu water come to ah. In fact, she was if what is ṣàlàyé wípé sàrà òkú fún rẹ̀ tí ń ṣe kó tó kò láyé. Nínú sàrà tí wọ́n ti ṣe àti kàwé mẹ́ta ń bí. Èmi ni mo wà ń bẹ̀ níjọ́ tí wọ́n fi ọmọ bọ́ọ̀sì tuntun tí wọ́n fún ẹgbẹ́ Zumuratu Islamiyya. Wọ́n lo bọ́ọ̀sì náà títí dàárọ̀ yìí. Ṣé mo fẹ́ ní tó fún wọn yẹn? Tó ti wá papòdà báyìí. Gbogbo ọjọ́ tó bá ń lò mọ́ṣáláṣí ládé àmàbà Alhaji Lanre Shittu.
Ìyá wọn níjọ́ tí ìyá wọn ṣe wòlímọ̀ ní Ansarudeen.
Bàbá wa ní tó ti yà wọ́n tún ṣe wòlímọ̀ ní Ansarudeen. Odidi bọ́ọ̀sì ńlá náà tún fún ẹgbẹ́ Ansarudeen. Wọ́n tún lò ó nísìn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ilẹ̀ people putting up a foundation in his name. Such a person will be rewarded despite the fact that he's no more. And the second one is Alh Lanre Shittu. If such a person should have wonderful kids that are praying after him or her, that they dedicate that prayer for their father. This prayer is dedicated for my father. In the morning after your Subi prayer, you pray for your dad. Oh Allah, shower your forgiveness upon my dad. Bless him more. The prayer the children will be chanting on their father, such prayer will be answered. And the third one is Al-Ilmu Yuntafa, knowledge in which that person has acquired. And he has taught a lot of people, whether you taught them how to read or write, you taught somebody how to read Arabic, and you taught somebody apprenticeship, or you taught somebody training, you taught somebody trading. Immediately that person dies, the reward of that person is in as much the learner is still enjoying. But right now, we have just prayed for the repose of the soul of our brother, our father, our uncle, Alhaji Alh Lanre Shittu. The prayer has come to an end. When we leave this place now, we go for the burial, we do it accordingly. But before we leave, let's do sadaqah. Let's do little offering. We understand the situation of our country, that it's not possible for us to be carrying cash around, even a lot of drug, but there is somewhere in which you can pay to. There is an account. Somebody will give it to you right now, and if whoever has cash can bring it forth, so somebody will be collecting it. Immediately after this, we go for the burial, inshallah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Whoever is ready to bring cash will come forth. And so many more Sarawa, come on, come on. Every CEO revenue transfer, kill account, we have account. Bank to Access Bank 40 000 398 259. Again, Access Bank 0 in 4 places 398 259. So if you are coming with your cash, you can come quickly so that we can leave this place and move to the burial ground. How do you Adams? We're going to have a cash. Let's do it quickly. The account will be written. Let's write the account. 5 minutes, we are leaving this particular place for the burial. The account is Access Bank. 0 in 4 places. 359 398. Ọmọ ṣe ìtàlùwárà, àwọn náà tuntun mọ owó wa. Ọlọ́gbọ́n wa ló ti bá wa pẹ̀lú yín. Ẹ ní ìtọ́nira ọlọ́pàá lọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́run. Gbogbo àwọn ìyá wa ni wọ́n ti déwájú pé 200 naira ilé tí wọ́n gbà wá. The account number again, Access Bank 0000398259. Alhaji Lanre Shittu, wọ́n ní ká máa kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá síbi pátá wípé Ọlọ́run á san wá lẹ́san olóore o. Alhaji Lanre Shittu ni àbúrò Alhaji Lanre Shittu. Ọlọ́run kó bá wa mú yín dúró. Wọ́n má ṣe ní tẹ̀lé ń tẹ̀lé. Kọjọ́ jìnnà síra. Ọlọ́run náà lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. La hawla wala quwwata. Immediately after this time out, we are going to the burial ground. Before the burial ground, we do the janaza. The prayers that are supposed to be said to the deceased. Àdúrà tí a dẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe yìí. Ìyá wa olórí Kàtí Sùúrùlérè, Alhaji Rizkatu Adams, àwọn náà ti débi. Alhaji Kubis Fabrics, Sedit. Gbogbo àwọn ìyá wa ni wọ́n débi, Olúwa bá san yín lẹ́san olóore. We are trying to do this fast so that we can have the prayer for the deceased. And immediately after the prayer, we go for the burial straight. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fáwọn ẹ̀ láyè láti kọjá. Akí bàbá wa Àlífà Akọ́ṣílẹ̀. Ọlọ́pàá ṣàjẹ́ kí á rí bàbá pẹ́. Later after the prayer now we do the burial, inshallah.
اللهم تقبل منا انك انت السميع الدعاء وتب علينا يا مولانا انك انت التواب الرحيم واهدنا ووفقنا الى الحق وإلى طريق المستقيم برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. اللهم اغفر له وارحمه واغفر نزله ووسع مدخله. اللهم نقيه من الذنوب كما ينقي الثوب الأبيض من الدنس. اللهم ارحمنا وتقبل منا إنك أنت السميع الدعاء وتب علينا يا مولانا. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة
I recognize Chief Obiakuna. You recognize her. Yes, kí àwọn ọkùnrin ká gba wípé àwọn obìnrin ẹ̀yẹ́ ká gba wípé ìjáde tiwa. Women should take this particular place. Let's follow this place. Men should follow here. Ibi táwọn ọkùnrin ti máa kírun níwájú báyìí. We are going to have our prayer at this particular side. Aki Ali Salami Agbaje. Oh, Mama, mix it.
Shamu. Shamu.
Thank you.